Rohit Sharma and Virat Kohli are not just cricketers, but for most of the Indian cricket team fans, they are the emotions. Whenever we talk about Rohit Sharma and Virat Kohli, automatically our mind goes to the kids who grew up watching Rohit Sharma and Virat Kohli play, who grew up watching Virat Kohli playing the ODI World Cup 2011, the kids who have watched Rohit Sharma play the Champions Trophy 2013, and also the kids who have cherished each and every partnership between Rohit Sharma and Virat Kohli. And the upcoming India versus England series might be the last England tour for both the legends. So let's just look back to the magic which they have created in ODIs while playing in England. So whenever we talk about Rohit Sharma playing in England, I believe that most of the people get the flashback of 2019 ODI World Cup where Rohit Sharma scored 5 centuries and his score was above 600 in that particular one day international World Cup. And if we look at the stats of Rohit Sharma in ODIs in England, then according to the stats, Rohit Sharma has played 27 innings, and in those 27 innings, he has scored 1,428 runs, and his highest score in England in ODI is 140, the iconic 140. And he has played in England, the ODIs he has played in England, he has played them with the average of 64.90 and with the strike rate of 90.78. And if we talk about the hundreds and fifties he has scored for the same, then he has scored 700s and 750s, and out of those 700s, 5 were in the ODI World Cup 2019. And if we look at Virat Kohli's stats in ODIs in England, then he has played 33 innings, and in those 33 innings, he has scored 1,349 runs. His highest score in those 33 innings are 107, and he has played with the average of 51.88 with the strike rate of 91.21. And if we talk about the hundreds and fifties, then Virat Kohli has scored 112 50s while playing ODIs in England. So these are the stats of both the legends who are going to play against England the ODI series starting from 14th of July, and might be the last England tour for both Rohit Sharma and Virat Kohli. These are just the stat. If we talk about their impact, that can't be measured anyway, but hopefully each and every cricket fan will enjoy every bit of it the same way they enjoyed their game since the past 18-20 years. Hopefully each and every cricket fan will be able to witness the similar kind of partnership which we witnessed in Sydney in the Australia tour, and hopefully India also wins the series. So on that note, I'll wrap the video. For more such updates, news and latest news, keep watching Rev Sports. Thank you so much for watching.